We can complain because rose bushes have thorns, or rejoice because thorn bushes have roses. Thus goes the quote by Alphonse Karr. Roses have been inspiring art, poetry, and culture for centuries. But why are people so captivated by these lovely flowers? Today, we are picking apart the petals of the most iconic and beloved flowers in the world, roses. Roses are cherished, not just for their beauty, but also for their symbolism, history, and practical uses. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about roses, from their origins and types to how they grow and their significance in different cultures. Plus, stick around to the end for some fun facts that might surprise you. Let me know in the comments what your favorite rose quote is. And let's get started learning about roses. Roses have a fascinating history that dates back millions of years. Fossil evidence shows that roses have existed for over 35 million years, making them one of the oldest flowers still thriving today. Wild roses, the ancestors of the roses we see in gardens, originally grew in Asia, Europe, North America, and Northwest Africa. Asia in particular is considered the birthplace of most modern rose species, as the majority of today's cultivated roses can trace their lineage back to Asian varieties. Roses were first cultivated by humans around 5,000 years ago, most likely in China. They spread quickly to other parts of the world where they were prized for their beauty, fragrance, and even medicinal properties. By the time of the Roman Empire, roses were widely grown across Europe and the Mediterranean. They were used in everything from perfumes to celebrations and even as currency in some cases. The ancient Romans were so enamored with roses that they planted extensive rose gardens and used rose petals to decorate their baths and homes. Today, there are over 150 species of wild roses and thousands of hybrid varieties, each with its own unique characteristics. Roses are generally divided into three main categories. Wild roses. These are the original species of roses that grow naturally without human cultivation. They usually have a simple structure with 5 petals and are often found in shades of pink, white, or red. Wild roses are hardy and can survive in a variety of climates. Old garden roses. These are varieties that existed before the late 18th century, including Damask, Galicia, and Bourbon roses. They are known for their strong fragrance and ability to thrive with minimal care. Many old garden roses only bloom once a year, but their blossoms are often large and richly colored. Modern roses. These are hybrids developed after the late 18th century, bred for traits like repeat blooming, unique colors, and disease resistance. Popular types of modern roses include hybrid tea roses, floribundas, and grandifloras. Modern roses are what you're most likely to see in gardens and floral arrangements today. What's in a name? That which we call a rose by any other name would smell as sweet. Or so says Shakespeare. The name rose is a timeless and elegant name that has been popular for centuries, often associated with the beauty and symbolism of the rose flower itself. Derived from the Latin word rosa, the name is a direct reflection of the flower's significance in various cultures, representing love, beauty, and grace. Throughout history, rose has been a favored name for girls, evoking an image of delicacy and charm. It has also been used as a symbol in literature, with characters named Rose embodying qualities of femininity and purity. An example of a famous character named Rose would be in the Titanic movie, with the love story of Jack and Rose emphasizing romance and loss. In addition to its popularity as a first name, Rose is frequently used as part of compound names such as Rosemary or Rosalind. The simplicity and timelessness of the name Rose continue to make it a classic choice for many, often invoking a sense of natural beauty and elegance. The scent of roses is one of the most cherished and recognizable fragrances in the world, often described as sweet, floral, and slightly spicy. The aroma of roses varies depending on the type of rose and the time of day. Some roses have a delicate tea-like scent, while others emit a rich, fruity fragrance reminiscent of apples, citrus, or berries. The scent comes from essential oils in the petals, which are most potent in the early morning. Throughout history, the fragrance of roses has symbolized love, romance, and beauty, inspiring poets, perfumers, and admirers alike. Whether wafting from a fresh bouquet or infused into perfumes and oils, the scent of roses continues to captivate and soothe. But what does make a rose? Let's look at the anatomy of a rose. The rose may look simple, but its structure is quite fascinating. A rose is made up of several parts, each with a specific function. Petals. These colorful parts of the flower attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. The number of petals can vary depending on the type of rose. Sepals, these are the small leaf-like structures that protect the flower bud before it opens. Stems and thorns. Roses are known for their thorny stems, which help protect the plant from animals that might try to eat it. However, not all roses have thorns. Some modern varieties have been bred to be thornless. Leaves. Rose leaves are usually divided into smaller leaflets and play a key role in photosynthesis, which provides energy for the plant to grow. Roots. The roots anchor the rose plant into the soil and absorb water and nutrients to keep it healthy. Roses are perennial plants, which means they live for more than 2 years and go through a growth cycle, blooming and dormancy. Most roses grow best in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. They need regular watering but don't like soggy soil, as this can lead to root rot. Roses are typically propagated in 2 ways, from seeds or by cuttings. Propagating by cuttings is the most common method, as it ensures that the new plant will have the same characteristics as the parent plant. Once planted, roses require pruning to remove dead or weak branches, which encourages new growth and better blooms. Roses have been a powerful symbol throughout history. In ancient Greece and Rome, roses were associated with love and beauty, often linked to the goddess Aphrodite and Venus. In Christianity, the rose has been used to symbolize the Virgin Mary, purity, and even martyrdom. In more recent history, roses have come to symbolize a variety of emotions and messages depending on their color. Red roses represent love and passion, while white roses represent purity and innocence. Yellow roses are friendship and joy. Pink roses, gratitude and admiration. Orange roses represent enthusiasm and energy, while black or blue roses represent mystery or unattainability. Roses are used in many cultural celebrations, such as weddings, where they represent love and commitment, or Valentine's Day, where they are a unique symbol of romance. Roses are synonymous with several popular holidays, with Valentine's Day and Mother's Day being the most notable for their high demand. On Valentine's Day, roses, especially red ones, are exchanged as symbols of love and affection, leading to a significant increase in sales. In fact, it's estimated that over 250 million roses are sold worldwide during this holiday. Similarly, Mother's Day sees a surge in rose purchases as people honor their mothers with bouquets of vibrant, multicolored roses. On this occasion, it's common for florists to sell millions of roses to celebrate motherhood and express gratitude. These holidays, along with anniversaries and weddings, make roses one of the most popular flowers worldwide, often chosen for their beauty, fragrance, and symbolic meanings. Roses are more than just beautiful to look at, however. They also have practical uses as well. Rose petals are commonly used to make perfumes and essential oils because of their sweet floral scent. Rose water made by distilling rose petals is used in cooking, skincare, and even religious ceremonies in some cultures. Rose hips, the fruit of the rose plant, are packed with vitamin C and are often used to make teas, jams, and supplements. In traditional medicine, roses have been used to treat various ailments, from sore throats to digestive issues. One of the most iconic depictions of roses appears in the paintings of renowned artist Pierre-Joseph Redouté, whose delicate botanical illustrations captured the intricate beauty of roses in the 18th and 19th centuries. In literature, roses have also played a prominent role, such as William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, where the phrase "a rose by any other name would smell as sweet" speaks to the enduring symbolism of the flower. In modern times, roses are featured prominently in pop culture. The red rose symbolizing love in Beauty and the Beast. Throughout history, roses have been immortalized as powerful symbols of affection, passion, and beauty, capturing the imagination of many across different mediums. And now, it's time for some fun facts. But before we do, please take a moment to help my small channel bloom by hitting the like button and subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this far, and please let me know in the comments what your favorite type of flower is. Mine is the lily. And now, on to some fun facts about roses. Roses are the national flower of the United States, as well as England, Bulgaria, and Iran. The world's oldest living rose bush is over 1,000 years old and grows on the wall of a cathedral in Hildesheim, Germany. There are roses that change color as they bloom. For example, the Double Delight rose starts as a creamy white and develops pink edges over time. The most expensive rose ever bred is called Juliet, and it took 15 years and over $5 million to create. The largest rose ever recorded had a bloom measuring 33 inches in diameter. Roses have inspired countless works of art, literature, and even songs, making them one of the most celebrated flowers in human history. Roses are truly remarkable plants, cherished not only for their beauty, but also for their deep cultural significance and practical uses. From ancient gardens to modern bouquets, they continue to captivate and inspire people all over the world. I hope you enjoyed learning all about roses in today's video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves flowers as much as you do. Parents and teachers, if you're looking for educational resources to make teaching about roses engaging and simple, click the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to get messy and make lots of mistakes today. Bye!